Thinking about the words you use to search online will save you time and give you better search results. It's easy to just type a question into a search engine, and it can often look like your results are relevant because all of your search terms will appear in your search results. However, just because a website or blog contains your search terms doesn't mean that it'll have what you want or be a good source of information. You may also have to weed through a lot of search results before you find what you need. Remember that search engines are not information repositories themselves, but rather tools you use to retrieve information from the web. A search engine is merely retrieving web pages, blogs, and posts that contain the words that you've entered into the search box. So how do you improve your search results? Here are a few simple tricks you can use in a basic web search. First, if you're looking for a specific item or searching for a common phrase, you can put your search terms in quotation marks. Also, you don't need to use articles and words like the, and, there, or are. Search engines actually ignore these words anyway, so you don't have to include them. There's also no need to capitalize or enter punctuation marks. By searching for an exact phrase, we've already narrowed down the search results significantly. Another trick is to add words that help guide the search engine toward the type of information you want. These could include words like research, data, diagnosis, treatment, statistics, results, review, overview, rating, report, policy, law, news, or update. By using exact phrases, terminology that gathers specific types of information, and avoiding non-essential search words, we've been able to hone our search and get better results. That's still a lot of websites to review, so you may want to explore more advanced search options to get even better results.